Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download AutoCAD Plant 3D officially and safely from the Autodesk website. No cracks, no third-party installers, only 100% legal, official Autodesk download. So make sure you watch till the end to avoid installation errors and download issues. If you were searching for AutoCAD Plant 3D download, Plant 3D official installer, Autodesk Plant 3D free trial, then this is the correct method. This video works for Plant 3D 2024, 2025, and future versions as well. Step 1. Open Autodesk official website. Open your browser and type AutoCAD Plant 3D official download, or directly link in description. Never download Plant 3D from third-party sites. Use only Autodesk official to avoid corrupted files or viruses. Step 2. Sign in or create Autodesk account. Click Sign In at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, click Create Account. It's free. Enter your name, email ID, password, country. Once your account is ready, log in to continue. Step 3. Open AutoCAD Plant 3D product page. Inside your Autodesk account, go to Products, then select AutoCAD Plant 3D. Here you'll see the newest version available, usually 2024 or 2025. Click on Download or Free Trial. Both options download the same official installer. Step 4. Choose version and operating system. Now select your preferences. Version 2024/2025 OS. Windows 10/Windows 11, 64-bit. Language, English. Then click Download. An Autodesk installer.exe will begin downloading. AutoCAD Plant 3D uses the Autodesk download material, so the process happens in 2 steps. Installer downloads small file. Full Plant 3D package downloads around 5 to 8 gigabytes. Important tips: keep internet connection stable. Don't close the download window. Ensure at least 10 to 12 gigabytes free space. Run the installer as administrator. Stay till the end of the video for the installation tips. Before installing, remember, AutoCAD Plant 3D includes P&ID plus 3D piping tools. Installation may take time on slower HDD PCs. If installation freezes, turn off antivirus temporarily. I will make a full installation and setup tutorial separately, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And that's it! You have successfully downloaded AutoCAD Plant 3D directly from the official Autodesk website. If this video helped you, please like, share, comment your questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.